Let's talk about what happens to your blood when you have insulin resistance and why it literally gets sticky. Whenever you eat food, but especially when you eat carbs, your body takes that food, converts it into glucose and pushes this glucose into your bloodstream. Now, this is known as blood sugar. When that glucose hits your bloodstream, your body releases insulin to help move your sugar from your blood into your cells as both energy and nutrients. But with insulin resistance, your cells stop listening. They stop responding to the hormone insulin in the way that they should. So sugar now begins to build up in your blood. This excess sugar doesn't just sit there. It starts sticking to proteins in your blood. This is a process called glycation. Imagine sugar caramelizing inside your blood vessels. It makes red blood cells sticky and stiff. This thickens your blood and raises your risk of clots and inflammation. Over time, if left unaddressed, this damages your blood vessels, leading to problems in your eyes, your kidneys, heart, and even your brain. This is why insulin resistance is a root cause of so many chronic diseases. And yes, the HbA1c or the A1c test, it actually measures how glycated your blood is. The good news is you can actually reverse insulin resistance. Now, here's a couple of things that you can do immediately starting now. And number one would be to reduce your meal frequency. Stop snacking and reduce meal frequency. Every time you eat, it's causing your glucose to spike. This is generating the hormone insulin. Furthermore, what you could also look to introduce here is the addition of some fiber before a meal. Fiber before your meal is a life giver. Fiber is the one thing that your microbiome can actually not digest. So when you add fiber before a meal, it's going to help you feel fuller quicker and fuller for longer. So it will help you with avoiding overeating. Not only that, the correct blend of fiber when introduced before a meal will create a fibrous gel around that meal. That alone is miraculous. It slows the absorption of glucose from that meal into your bloodstream, therefore regulating the rate at which this glucose hits your bloodstream and facilitating a reduced spike of insulin so that your insulin can more comfortably manage the elevated glucose in your bloodstream.